Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ. After all the excitement I received on the first gaming chair I unboxed on this channel, I decided to bring you another one. Today, we will be unboxing and setting up the Silverstone racing chair. Let's get started. Let's get this opened. Let's get closer for a better view. Here we have the first and second arm, the wheels, the gas lift, the base plate, and finally the chair itself. This is the instructions, and it looks like this chair can be found under different names. Another alias for this chair is the Monaco racing chair. Part 1. Let's get the base assembled first. Overall, the packaging is really good. You can be rest assured that the chair will arrive safely. Installation for the casters has been one of the easiest I've experienced. In this, you don't need to fight with the chair, it works with you. Something to mention besides the ease of the installation is the casters feel very premium. Here is the gas lift, and this fits like so on top of the base. Part 2. Arms and base plate installation. To help with the install, I'm going to prop the chair up against the sofa so I have an easier angle to work with. Here are the arms. It has a solid steel frame, and I like the soft touch material on the top. And a bonus point, they are clearly labeled, so there's no way you can get this mixed up. Here is the base plate. Let's get this installed first. My recommendation is to use your fingers to install the screws as far as possible. For the final tightening, then use the tool provided. That way, you will not use excessive pressure and strip the screw. If the screw does not fit, do not force it. Remove it and check you are not installing it in an angle. Here's a better angle for you to view the arm installs. Follow the same method as before. Install the screws with your fingers and then use the tool to secure it in place. Hot tip guys, I do not recommend you fully tighten the screws for the arms. Reason being, after the chair is fully assembled, have a seat and check what feels comfortable for you. Some of you might prefer it to be at its closest position or more further apart. Okay guys, finally, let's get the chair installed in the base. And here you have it. Let's get in for a closer look so I can tell you about its features. The chair comes with a soft neck support pillow, as well as an adjustable lumbar support pillow. The frame of the chair feels very strong and robust. You can adjust the backrest of the chair to a full 180 degrees. The chair's height and tilt can also be adjusted. Hey guys, in closing comments, since it's 1 year ownership, there's a few things I've noticed about the chair. 1. The armrests do get loose over time and you will need to retighten them. 2. The cushioning support throughout the chair is very firm when you do receive it. Over time it will be slightly softer, a little bit more comfortable if you will. It's not to say that the chair is uncomfortable when you receive it, but it is on the firmer side. Just something to be aware of. I feel that the support that this chair gives over my gaming chair is a lot better in the long run. Despite that one negative point, I would still highly recommend this chair. All in all, if you guys are in the market for a gaming chair and one with some solid features, I would definitely recommend you check this out. Shout out to Babe for letting me unbox and set up her gaming chair. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm TJ and I will catch you on the next one.